I talk and something I record. So, anyways, back again with our next video. So, welcome back to a new video. And this video, we have received more packages that we don't know where they come from. So it's unboxing some mystery PR packages and I'm not sure what is there. So I thought the video was recording. So I was there chatting along about this. Right, it's the first one I opened. So this is from Sports Research, Hydrate Electrolytes Variety Pack. So it has in 400 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium with trace minerals and coconut water. Sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan. So it has 16 packets in there, 4 cherry pomegranate, 4 passion fruit, 4 raspberry lemonade, and 4 lemon lime. So it's probably one packet, 1 sachet with 16 ounces of water 1 to 3 times daily. So you must know you want to use this. So it's for my little gym junkies, right? So you can check them out. But you may look up because I just opened this one. But let me see what's in it. Oh, this is cute. So this is Plantifique Superfood Skincare. It's a golden eye patch. So yeah, the girl is stepping in her era that she should have been stepping in. Because I'm not so girly. I'm like a simple little girl, but I think I am reaching the soft girl era. I'm not to complain. So these improve puffy eyes and dark circles, especially now when I'm filming a video almost 2 a.m. in the morning. So it has in collagen and caffeine, and it's for women and also men. So yeah, this will be added to my nighttime routine. How much come in there? 20 pairs come in there, so 20 uses. So nighttime routine, and when I feel like it, and every time I feel like I want to do the most, right? What is this now? No, I do the most. No, I do the most. What is this? Okay, so this is Seaweed Bath Company Hydrate Body Cream, and it's unscented. It has in kukui oil and hyaluronic acid. So it's unscented. So a lotion basically. But let me still smell it and see. It's still off, but detailed video. I'm not going to pull it now. When I'm doing the video for the TikTok, me demonstrate and the consistency and all these things. So with that being said, please follow me on all socials at Petals Discovery for my other types of videos, right? Yeah, don't forget. And all links will be in the description box below. Everything right there, so everything, and then so Amazon birthday wish list is going to be in the description box below, so you can always just take a little look. You see what is now? What is this? It's like some gym wear thing. Oh, weightlifting. It's from Dr. Arthritis. I don't have no arthritis doctor, but it will be good. And once again, I'm not gonna pull it out now because I'm supposed to do a TikTok video on it, but you will see. I probably put a picture of what it look like, and you can just check me out on TikTok. So that's that. We're in good timing. Very good timing. Come just want to see in there. If I'm a rush, I just want to see when I box them. I'm not telling no lie. I just want to see what is in the box. It's been days, and this is good because normally as I get something, we'll put it same time, but I think it's into the habit of waiting to show you guys. So this is what we put this upside down to back side. Watch out, I stuff in. I want to keep it so. I want the box. I want this. This is an empty box. Who did this? Look properly. Jesus Christ. Look. My glass at a record, so nothing can I might tell. Look at this box. Look what in it. Look at one thing got empty box thing. Look at one just a little box. Come and say, who send me empty box? Who really send me one empty box? Only for let's say is a mascara in a big old box here. No, filled with paste. Oh, them box. So this is the unlocked instant extension mascara from Hourglass. Counted days, market days. In the shade Ultra Black. Relax me like a body. Feel nice though. Have you up same way. Have you up. Demonstration will be done on TikTok. One box to box side for mascara. No sir. People are dangerous bad. So the last one now to be opened. And we're in very good timing. I'm proud of myself. So you see this? One little bag. And this make more sense. This should come out of the box. So I'm excited about this. I'm not gonna lie about it. I'm not gonna lie. It is a handheld shower. So I already have one, right? I have a rain shower and a handheld, but there's nothing wrong with little upgrade. So it have a 9 spray settings with a built-in power wash. If you want to beat off the dirt off for you, yeah. It have a lot of tools. I got it in chrome, but I should get it in nickel because my fixtures are in nickel, brushed nickel. But I like things shiny, so I'm so change everything there. So it is going to be fully chrome. So I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait. Look, oh my god, it was premium. So you can press this and it's squirt out fire like so. And then look at this. And the hours of the clock go tick tick tock, tick tick tock, tick tick tock. My god, I like this. They're quite shiny. Why my pictures gonna be chrome? Just so convert them to chrome. I like shiny stuff. So so that's the end of the video, you know. So please like, comment, share, subscribe. Do follow me on all socials. Please check out the links in the description box below. And we'll see each other very soon in the next mystery package. Because that's a rolling and go so tell them get about 10 email and I say hello. So that's it. Thank you and take care. I need to get some sleep. It's like 2 a.m. But I need to do this, you know. So bye.